back to my channel. My name is Shataria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shades. Ow. Okay, y'all, I'm not gonna keep y'all long in this intro. I just want to tell y'all thank y'all for clicking on this video. If you haven't subscribed already, girl, hit that subscribe button, child, hit it. Anywho, today this is a wash and go. This is a video of me doing my wash and go using Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. Girl, I love it. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see it, baby? The curls are there. The curls are there. So again, I'm not gonna hold y'all long. Hit the subscribe button right now. I'm gonna wait. Okay, so you've hit it. Okay, hey girl, hey. Okay, go ahead. Shataria, roll with it. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. We're gonna jump this video off in our husband's t-shirt. Because that's what we do our hair in. We do our hair in their t-shirts because baby, it's comfortable and I don't mind getting his shirt dirty. Okay, let's jump into the video. So this is what my hair looks like when I freshly take it down from the microfiber towel. I've already shampooed and deep conditioned my hair. Now I'm going in with my Creme Nature leave-in conditioner spray. I know some of y'all have told me to try a cream conditioner. Wait, what? Yeah, a leave-in cream conditioner. I haven't found one yet. Honestly, I haven't even been looking. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I have not looked for one. But, you know, this is what I have at home, and this is what we're going to use for now. And I am going to go out and find some different type of conditioner. Okay, so just like any other video, y'all know I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off in the back. I didn't show y'all me detangling my hair. Baby, if y'all done seen my other videos, then y'all done seen me detangle my hair before. So we went ahead and skipped straight to the product, which today's product is Aunt Jackie Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. Now I've tried this once before, but I don't remember feeling the way that I feel about it today. So y'all keep watching so y'all can see how I feel about this product. So I'm showing y'all what the product look like. It's a gel. The consistency is gel like. It's a gel. And it smells good too. All right, y'all. So y'all can pretty much watch the video to see what it is that I'm doing with my hair. But I do want to come and have a little chit chat with y'all, okay? So a couple of y'all have reached out to me on my Instagram, and y'all have tried wash and go with one of the previous products that I reviewed. And one thing that all of y'all have in common, none of y'all were getting y'all roots. Y'all roots was very, very puffy. And I don't mind y'all reaching out to me via Instagram because, baby, I like chit-chatting. Y'all should know that by now. But if y'all don't listen to anything else I say, get your roots, baby. You have to saturate those roots with the product. I'm going to always touch the roots first before I drag it down the rest of my hair. Remember that. Get your roots. But let me give y'all a little backstory about my hair because this is another thing that came up a lot. When y'all watch my videos, I want y'all to keep in mind that everybody has different hair textures. Everybody has different density. Everybody's hair is just different. So let me just give y'all a little background about my hair. I hate to do this because I really don't believe in all that hair type, curl type stuff. But I'm going to tell y'all anyway. My hair is roughly 3C around the edges and maybe a 4A in the middle. Okay, so with that being said, I have like a little tighter curl in the middle of my head, but like around my perimeter, my curls is a lot more looser. I also have very, very thin hair. My hair is very fine. I don't have a lot of density in my hair. Some of y'all that sent me or reached out to me via Instagram, y'all hair was really thick. I'm jealous. Jealous. But you know, I'm thankful for what I got, so I'm gonna work with it. So y'all have to keep that in mind. So if y'all feel like I'm using a lot of product on my thin hair, then y'all probably should double the amount on y'all thick hair to potentially get the same outcome with the wash and go. Now, y'all know I be listening, y'all, and I know y'all probably tired of my little side part. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give them what they want. Somebody asked me to do a part straight down the middle. Now, y'all, I don't like to wear my part straight down the middle because I always look like Eazy-E off of what's that group called? NWA. Baby, I be looking like him, and I don't like that for me. But if y'all request it, I'm gonna try to give y'all everything that y'all asked for. So yeah, I went ahead and put the part down the middle because y'all know I style my I style my hair. What am I trying to tell y'all? Okay, first of all, I'm sidetracked by the fact that, baby, where's your edges? Wait, y'all, do y'all have any remedies or any suggestions on what I should do for my edges? I'm being so serious because I've done tried every oil that God done put on this earth to grow this hair. Peppermint oil, rosemary, Jamaican castor oil. I done tried so many oils, baby. The hair is not growing. And honestly, it could be the fact that I use gel on my hair. Maybe that plays a role. I'm not sure, but if you got growing hands, can y'all tell me what y'all be? Or if you got thinning edges and you did put something on your hair and it started growing, can y'all tell me, please? Because, baby, I'm tired. I'm tired of that. Okay, let me quit talking about my edges because, baby, I can go on and on. The fact that, baby, I ain't got no hair. And if you new to my channel and you don't know why I ain't got no edges, it's not because, I don't know. It's because, baby, when I was pregnant with my daughter, I had postpartum shedding, and baby, the edges left and they never came back. They told me toodaloo, toodles, we ain't coming back. And baby, they meant that. Yeah, they meant that. But anywho, I got the part down the middle. I went ahead and put the product, the gel on my hair, because y'all know I like to style my hair how I'm wearing it. So if I'm wearing a part down the middle, yeah, I'm putting that product on. But look at those curls, y'all. Look, do y'all see it? Are y'all seeing this? At this point, I'm like, okay, we might be working with something. We might be working with something, y'all. So, I look like I'm running my mouth. I am. I'm talking to my husband because we were talking about Lil Boosie. Y'all heard about Lil Boosie and his daughter? Y'all go to my vlog because I'm talking about it in my upcoming vlog. Oh, my husband was so nice. He came and brought me some hot wings, so I was able to take a little break and eat. But I was a little nervous because I thought he was going to say something because I had his shirt on. So now y'all see me blow drying my hair. Now that's something that you don't have to do. You can walk around with your hair like this and let it air dry. I don't like to do that personally because I don't like my hair when it looks like this. Like I've told y'all once before, it looks like I'm fresh out my mama womb. It looks like I have a placenta perm. And baby, I don't like that. But if you do, then wear it. Baby, it's your hair. You do what you want to do, honey. Or you can diffuse your hair. I am a person that likes a lot of volume, so you can diffuse your hair if you want to. I just never gravitate to that because I'm lazy. You can sit underneath the hooded dryer. Me personally, I've never done that for my curls. I don't see me ever doing that. So this is what works for me, is to a handheld blow dryer. I sit there, I blow dry my hair, and yeah. This is what works for you, girl. All right, y'all. So y'all know me. I like volume. So I'm finna go ahead and pick my hair as much as I can on first day. My hair does get bigger over time. But I still like to kind of pick the roots. Don't y'all take that comb all the way through that hair. Just pick your roots. So I like to go ahead and kind of pick my roots to see, if it give me a little volume. Now, I think I kind of like this little middle part a little bit. I don't know if I like that lipstick. Why do I have it? Yeah, why do I have that lipstick on? Anywho, ignore the lipsticks. But if you just look at the hair look good, baby. Look at them curls. Look at the curls. And I did put my shine. Y'all know I don't play about my shine. I did put my shine in my hair, but I must have lost the clip because, baby, I can't find it. Now, on this day, I had somewhere to go. So I didn't have time to, y'all know I always use my Eco. That is not the gel that I use. I always use my Extreme gel for my edges because that's what works. That's what holds my edges down for days at a time. I love it. If y'all didn't watch my last video, my last hair tutorial, when I used it on Jackie's Curl La La, it gave me product buildup. I didn't have time to play like that today. So I just went ahead and went in with this gel and used and put it on my edges. It's really not strong enough for my edges. Like my edges just curled right on up. It looked pretty good right there, but It curled up. Oh, there got my little clip with the shine. I thought I lost it. Oh, so that was my natural shine prior to. Okay, girl, don't play with you and your hair, girl. Y'all see them curls? Do y'all see it? I love this product. Now this is up there with the with my Creme of Nature curl activator. This is up there with that product. I'm gonna wear it for a couple of days and see how I do, but baby, yes, I love it. Look at my face, baby. I'm sure. Oh, baby, I thought I was gonna start dancing, baby. I'm trying to fluff it some more with my fingers, but y'all, my hair looks good, and I'm not really that mad at that middle part. Look at it. Hey, girl, swing at her. Hey, don't play. What? Hey, don't play with you. All right, guys. Hopefully, y'all enjoyed the video. I didn't want to keep y'all long in the intro, so I'm going to talk to y'all now. I don't know what I said on that voiceover, child. I'm going to say some stuff right now. And this is what I want to say. I love this product, okay? First of all, my hair is not crunchy. It looks like I'm gonna be able to get a couple of days out of this. And when I say a couple, no, not a couple. It looks like I'm gonna be able to get a few days out of this. I'm gonna say between 4 to 5 days, just based off the way my hair is feeling right now. I got bounce, I got body. I really don't have much of a shine, but y'all know me, I'm gonna use my shine, my Cantu shine, and call it a day and keep it moving. For my edges, this was not strong enough for my edges, so I'm gonna see if I can use some extreme, because y'all know this is Boo right here. This is Boo. I'm gonna see if I can use this and see if it mixed good. If y'all want to see that, make sure y'all check out my vlogs. I post a vlog every week, so y'all will be able to see how this hair is holding up throughout the week when you watch my vlogs. But yes, y'all, I really don't have much of a complaint about this product. I really don't have any complaints. I freaking love it. Now, as far as elongating, I really don't have shrinkage like that. I mean, I have shrinkage, but it really don't bother me. So, to me, my hair is about the same that it normally is, honestly. Well, maybe it's a little bit longer. Maybe. I don't know. I can't really tell y'all if I feel like that this helped me with the shrinkage. I mean, with the elongating. Because my hair, I really don't. Oh, you know what? Baby, this hair in this middle, this will tell me right here. Hold on. Yeah, it helped. It helped, y'all. It absolutely helped with the elongating. So, if you have an issue with your hair, if you don't like your shrinkage, if you're not comfortable with stretching your hair, this will definitely help y'all with the shrinkage, baby. It sure will. Yes, it will. So y'all need to try it. It's the flaxseed don't shrink elongating curling gel. Y'all go get this. Are y'all liking these videos so far? I hope y'all do. Okay, well, y'all let me know in the comment section down below what y'all want to see next, and baby, I will go buy it and then we'll review it. I think this will be the last video that I do as a voiceover, because I want to talk to y'all in the process, because baby, sometimes when I do these videos, I be a little nervous. I be wanting to tell y'all stuff, but I be like, nah, girl, this is a voiceover, so you can't even tell them. So, yeah, I think the next video, we're going to try it as a talk through the whole way. That should be interesting. That should very well be interesting. Okay, I'm not going to hold y'all no more. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, y'all. We are growing, and it's lit over here. Don't y'all love it? Subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Ow.